Hello, my fellow Zekers. One of any dropshipper's main goals is to work smarter, not harder. Imagine being able to quickly identify other eBay dropshippers winning items with strong selling trends and simply adding them to your eBay dropshipping store. It might sound like a dream, but sometimes dreams can come true. With the power of AI, we can turn these dreams into reality. By leveraging technology, we can identify the best-selling items from other dropshippers and even pinpoint the exact suppliers they use. So instead of just adding items and hoping they will become trendy with good sales on eBay, we can rely on solid data and sell items with proven sales sold by other eBay dropshippers. In this video, I will show you how to master one of the AI tools from ZIK Analytics called the Bulk Scanner. For those who don't know yet, the Bulk Scanner allows you to scan multiple eBay sellers who use dropshipping as their e-commerce business model. This tool will identify the products sold in their eBay stores, show how many times each product has sold in the past 30 days, and suggest suppliers to source the exact or similar products. Now, you might ask, what is the benefit of identifying products that are selling well in other dropshippers' stores? Well, by selling the same or similar winning products at slightly lower prices than your competitors, you can build a successful dropshipping business and significantly increase your chances of making high daily sales and easily outmatching the competition. Yes, working smarter, not harder, is the essence of this tool. So whether you've just started and have low store selling limits and need to identify the best products for quick sales, or you're a pro seller with high selling limits and need to add many items to your store daily, the Bulk Scanner is a great tool for all eBay dropshippers out there. Are you ready? I will show you methods to maximize your use of this tool so you can start adding your competitors' best-selling items and dominate their niches today. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. As I mentioned before, using the Bulk Scanner, we can scan and identify all the winning items from multiple eBay dropshippers. But before we use the tool, let's first understand how to find the dropshippers so we can scan their products and add their best-selling items to our eBay store. For this, I will show you two great methods, and they're not just two great methods, they're actually really quick. The first method involves using the suggested dropshippers feature in the market insights section of ZIK Analytics. So you're gonna go to your market insights and you're gonna set your dropshipping model preferences and select your marketplace, which in this case will be eBay.com. We're gonna go ahead and set our business model to dropshipping and choose the source website where you want to find products. For this video, I will actually choose Amazon.com, but if you're working with Walmart, you can select that supplier instead. The process I'll show you will be the same. Note that the Bulk Scanner can identify products and source them from Amazon.com, Amazon UK, and Walmart. Now that I've set my preferences, I'll go to the bottom left called the trending dropshippers. Here you'll see a list of dropshippers that match the preferences I set earlier, meaning all of these sellers are dropshipping from Amazon.com. The nice part is that this dashboard updates every 24 hours. So tomorrow you'll actually see different sellers. You might notice some sellers have the flame icon. This indicates that these sellers have strong sales trends and are selling a lot compared to their overall product listing. So a great tip is if you're sourcing from Amazon.com and you are not a US-based seller, I recommend finding sellers with flags other than the US. US sellers may have additional benefits such as cash back from Amazon and or Walmart and lower conversion rates. And this actually allows them to price products more competitively. For beginner sellers who are not based in the US, focusing on sellers from other countries can be an advantage. The same applies if you are sourcing products from Amazon UK and you're not UK-based seller. Now let's go ahead and pick 3 sellers. Let's pick this one here from the US. Let's go ahead and choose this one from Australia. And let's go ahead and choose this one here. So from here, I can review the sellers, and if I find them and their sold product interesting, I will need to do a few things. First, I will save the seller to my seller's watch list. So how you do that is just go ahead and add to watch list. From here, you can add a comment such as great seller. You can even rate it, and then you just go ahead and save competitor. You can do that for another one here. For this comment, you can add, let's say, Amazon dropshipper seller with high sales, give them star rating, and then save competitor. The second thing I'll do is click on the bulk scanner button, and I will add the seller to my bulk scanner list, and this allows me to scan this seller along with other sellers to get their best-selling products. So I will do that for all 3. Now, the second method for finding good drop shippers is to use the product research tool in ZIK Analytics. So here in the product research tool, you can enter any niche name, or if you already have strong niches that are performing well in your dropshipping store, you can use those as well. For this example, we are going to search for storage containers. Then you can go ahead and click on search. So the key to this dropshipper finding method is to go onto the filters here and select the option dropshippers only. Now look at what we can see here. All of these sellers here are dropshippers and have these parachute icons next to their item. From here, the process is quite straightforward. I will choose 2 or more drop shippers for this example and save them to my watch list and to the bulk scanner. So all you have to do is go on this scan seller icon and you add to watch list, name it, give it a star rating, and save the competition, and then add the items to the bulk scanner. Same with this one, Amazon seller 2, give it a rating, and then save the competitor and add the items to the bulk scanner. So we found great dropshippers to scan using the bulk scanner in no time. What do you think about these 2 methods of finding them? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel so you'll get notifications for more videos like this one. And these videos can take your eBay business to a whole new level. Before we create the scan for the dropshippers we found using the bulk scanner, I'll quickly show you how to open a new ZIK folder so we can receive all of the products from the bulk scanner directly into this folder. From there, you can choose to list the items to your eBay store manually or use the AutoDS integration with ZIK Analytics to add the products directly to your AutoDS account. I recommend creating a separate folder just for bulk scanner scans. After you add the products to your eBay store, you can delete them from your ZIK bulk scanner. folder and add new items from the bulk scanner as needed. The idea is to have a designated folder for these scans. Now to do this, I will go into my products and I will select Amazon and Walmart products. And in the add folder section, enter a name. For example, it can be bulk scanner products. And then we'll also add Amazon. You might also want to create another folder named Bulk Scanner Products Walmart just to keep things organized. In the description, we can write best selling products from Amazon. You can also add dropshippers, and then you just go ahead and create folder. Great, now we are all set to scan the dropshippers we found using the AI tool of ZIK Analytics, the bulk scanner. So first we're gonna go ahead and open the bulk scanner, which is located here in the advanced tools section. You go ahead and just click on it. Here you'll see the recent sellers we added to the bulk scanner. The uniqueness of this AI tool is that it allows you to scan up to 5 eBay sellers at one time and apply advanced settings to each scan to get only the best selling items. So let's select the 5 sellers we found together. So once we select our 5 sellers, we're gonna add to multi-scanner. So now we're at the settings stage. I recommend using the following settings to maximize your results with the best selling items. So for minimum price, we're gonna put $15. Then we move on to minimum sales, which in this case, we're gonna put 6. And this is to find products that can be sold many times in your dropshipping store. Now for folder, I will choose the folder we opened together, which is the bulk scanner products Amazon. Now for the source website, you are going to choose according to your preferences. It can be Amazon or Walmart. For this example, I will choose Amazon.com, and then the date range is 30 days. For Amazon and Walmart, I prefer to check the Prime only for Amazon or sold by Walmart. For Walmart, to ensure the products come with good customer service and shipping time. Now let's click on Create Scan. Okay, so as you can see here, we have many great products that were sourced directly from the dropshippers we found together. All of these products have been sold by the dropshippers at least 6 times in the past 30 days. So here's what you can see from each product. We have the eBay image, and then of course the supplier image. Then we have ASIN. If you choose Amazon as a sourcing supplier, and then you have the eBay title, and this is the same title the dropshipper used, and then you have the supplier title, and then you have the supplier price for the product, then you have the eBay selling price for the product, and then you have the profit of the item. And then of course you have the amount of times the product sold in the past 30 days. And then all the way over in the corner, you have number of sellers which are selling the product under the same title on eBay. Now, the suggested products from the supplier that we got from this AI tool are divided into 2 groups. We have exact match and similar match. So as we can see here, this is an exact match for the item. The product on eBay is the same as the supplier product. And then we have a similar match, which could be this item. Adding similar products can be great because it often means you're introducing a new item to eBay, which can lead to less competition or even no competition at all. So for this example, I will pick 5 products and add them to my AutoDS account using the AutoDS integration with ZIK Analytics. So I'll pick these 4 and then maybe I'll add something like this. I'm looking for products I kind of know something about. I'll just add that one there. So after selecting the 5 products, I will go to the top and select Upload Selected. Now in the listing option here, I will choose AutoDS. I will select the eBay store that I want to add these products to and set the title source to supplier to avoid incorrect product titles from eBay sellers. And also to keep my account safe, I will check exclude Vero brands and exclude restricted keywords. And then I will upload items. Selected products upload in progress. So before we list these items on eBay, if you found this video useful, don't forget to give us a big like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to boost your eBay business using the latest game-changing tools from ZIK Analytics, you can start today for just $1 for the first week. So what are you waiting for? So we are all set for the final step to ensure we generate sales from these products. So this relies on 2 main factors. We have a product title and product pricing. This is especially beneficial for those optimizing each product before adding it to their store. If you're working with bulk uploads, it might be less crucial. And you can list the items from the competitors with the supplier title to ensure that the title fits the product you're adding.
But for those of you who are not uploading many products in bulk and are uploading products one by one or in relatively small quantities each time,
I recommend the following for product pricing and titles. For this example, I will pick this item. So the price on eBay for this particular item is $25.99. So if the seller is selling this item for $25.99, I'm going to go back to AutoDS, click on this item here, and I will just price it
a little bit lower.
Now, when we have all of that set regarding how we can appear in the same search results as sellers who are successfully selling this item, my goal is to appear in the same search terms so that the buyers see the product they will prefer to buy from me because I'm offering the same or similar product, but at a slightly lower price. The key to achieving this is using a similar product title as the seller. I recommend not copying the title exactly, but using about 90 or 80% of the same keywords as the seller's title and then optimizing it a bit. I do not recommend using the exact same title as the seller because eBay prefers sellers to upload products with unique keywords. So keeping at least 80% of the title similar and optimizing the remaining 20% is ideal. And you can do that here. You can change the title a bit or optimize title with AI. Note that if you're adding a similar item, ensure that the item specifications match the title. If needed, it's okay to optimize more than 20% of the title to ensure accurate product information while retaining the seller's main title keywords. So back in the bulk scanner, I'm actually going to take this title here, copy it, and then go back to AutoDS.
Instead of using the supplier title, we will use the eBay seller title
and paste it here in AutoDS. And what you're going to do is just change up a few things. Okay, so we've drafted a similar product title that will help us appear in the same search results as this successful seller and will be the ones offering a better deal on the product. Now we've ensured that potential buyers will see the product alongside the competitor's product and will be offering a better price. Quite nice, isn't it? By using this method, we can maintain a high conversion rate since all of these items have proven sales on eBay. So the last thing we need to do is save and import this item, and the product will be added to our eBay store. So using the power of ZIK's AI tools, you can build a solid eBay business by working smarter, not harder. By applying the methods I showed you today and utilizing the bulk scanner in your everyday work operations, you can create a store that sells products with proven sales on eBay. This is a powerful strategy that can lead to successful dropshipping businesses based on solid data. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.